should be finished building the 100 chart by now, Hank. How's it going?
A little slow. I'm not sure where all the numbers go.
I know where they go. Hi, my name's Jessie. I know all about the 100 chart.
You can fix this?
Sure. There are 10 rows down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 10 columns across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It starts with number 1 in the top left corner, and it ends with number 100 in the bottom right corner. Now all we have to do is put these numbers in the right places.
Okay, Hank. Get inside that crane and start lifting.
And if you could lay out all the squares in this pile, I'll help you figure out where the squares go.
Sure, I can do that.
Ready?
Ready. Ready.
What's the first number?
Oh, 12.
Okay, start at the number 1 square at the top left and count down 1 row to the tens row. Then you count 11, 12, and there you are.
Ha, 34.
For 34, you start at the number 1 square and count down 3 rows to the 30s. Then count over 31, 32, 33, 34. That's the spot.
Hey, next is 47.
Okay, now with 47, you start at the number 1 square and count down 4 rows to where you see all the 40s. Then you count over 7. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47.
Last is 85.
For this one, you start at the number 1 square and count down 8 rows to the 80s. Then you count 81, 82, 83, 84, 85.
Great job, Jessie. Thanks for your help.
Sure, I'm happy to help anytime.
Chart light up. Choose a level. Beginner. Challenge. Super challenge. Drag the correct numbers into place to complete the number row. Drag the correct... Good job! '83. Terrific! Nice job! Drag the correct numbers into place to complete the number row. Drag the correct numbers into place to complete the number row. Nice job. 12. 12. Nice job. 13. Nice job. Drag the correct numbers into place to complete the number row. 33. 33. Nice job. 'Great job! 35. Good job! Drag the correct numbers into place to complete the number row. 34. Awesome job! 35. Awesome job! 36. Nice job! Drag the correct numbers into place to complete the number row. 26. Terrific! 26. 27. Terrific! 20. Nice job! Incredible!
You know what I like best about washing windows, Wilma?
What's that, Wilmer?
The peace and quiet.
You know what I don't like? All these dirty windows. Ready to start washing some windows?
Sure am.
I don't think we've ever done a building this big before.
10 stories tall and 10 columns wide. That's 100 windows.
Do we have to wash all of them?
No, but we do have to wash a bunch of them. Here's the list.
These windows are spread out all over the building. How will we find them?
Each one of the windows is like a square on the 100's chart. Start in the top left corner. That's square number 1. Now, our first window is number 24. To find it, you go down 2 rows, 10s, 20s, and over to the 4th column, 21, 22, 23, 24. Excellent. See, this isn't hard. And we're way up here with nothing to bother us, just peace and quiet.
Hey, that bird took my hat!
Next is window 56. Can you find it?
Well, we're going from the 20s down to the 50s, so that's 3 rows down. 30s, 40s, 50s. And since that puts us at 54, we need to go over 2 columns to the right to get to 56. 55, 56.
Good job. Next is window 72.
72. Okay, from the 50s to the 70s, it's 2 rows down. 60s, 70s. But now we're at 76, so we have to go back to the left 4 columns to get to 72. 75, 74, 73, 72.
Excellent. Now we go to window 17.
Right! From the 70s to the 10s is 6 rows up. 60s, 50s, 40s, 30s, 20s, 10s. Now to get over to 17, we have to move 5 columns to the right. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wilmer, there's a beehive!
Don't worry. Those bees know we're not here to bother them. Peace and quiet. Remember?
Quick! What's our next window?
Oh, next is window 88.
Okay, from the 10s to the 80s is down 7 rows. 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. And And since we're at 87, we just need to go one column to the right to get to 88.
Superb! Whoa! Why are you going so fast?
I'm trying to get away from all the peace and quiet.
Good job! You completed the 100 chart.
Chart construction. Drag the numbers to the spaces where they belong in the 100 chart wall. Drag the number blocks to the spaces where they belong. Drag the number blocks to the Very nice! Incredible! Terrific! Great! Well done! Good! Drag the number blocks to the spaces where they belong. Awesome! Very nice! Very nice! Incredible! Good try! Perfect! That's looking really good! Awesome job! Drag the number blocks to the spaces where they belong. Well done! 94, Nice try. Perfect. That's looking really good. Try again. Terrific. Drag the number blocks to the spaces where they belong. Perfect! That's looking really good. I know you can do it. Incredible! Great! Terrific!